Figure it out. If you are on level 5 high frequency words, this book should be readable for you. When you are ready to practice on your own, turn the volume off. Sir Worm and Bird Girl. Sir Worm was the first worm up each day. He worked hard, but he was small. He could only see things on the dirt. He wanted to see the sky. First, Sir Worm said, "I will climb up high." But it did not work. Poor Sir Worm. Then Sir Worm said, "I will jump up." He did, but it did not work. Bird Girl was looking and said, "I can help with the third try." "Great," said Sir Worm. Bird Girl got a firm grip on Sir Worm. She went up. Sir Worm could see the full sun and another bird. They went through a big white puff. What a neat world! Bird Girl went back down to land. She placed Sir Worm on the dirt. Sir Worm thanked Bird Girl for helping. It was worth the trip. Bird Girl let out a chirp and went up high into the sky.